G'day everybody, hope you are all well. Hey, I wanted to go through and just show you a couple of things. I don't often go into as much detail as what I'm about to do here, but I thought I'd give you all a kick to remind you that there's opportunities still out there. I know the engagement's dropped a lot. You can see it on Google. You can see it in the groups. It's everyone's a bit ho-hum. And look, I totally get it. I mean, there's not a real lot going on while Bitcoin sits in this range. It's been a relatively quiet period, especially to what we're used to. You know, we're used to these big tantrums and then big shots up in the air again, then back down. And that's kind of what crypto is and what we expect it to be. But we seem to be having a bit more maturity in the space, and we're sort of holding for the time. When I say maturity, I mean the market's maturing. And it's become somewhat stable. So with Bitcoin in the top 10, or Bitcoin more importantly, not having a lot of action, well, where do we find our trades? Let me show you. I've got a list here that went through today. I've gone through it after my scan this morning with my members, and did a video as well to members earlier. We have a look at Wax here. I mean, here's the thing. What are we looking at here? Wax against Bitcoin, that's right. You can see here a really strong trend on the daily. It's been that way for quite some time against Bitcoin. Now, understandably, this is with Bittrex, and it's not got that much volume. All right, so I didn't take this trade. Just a caveat on that. I'm not telling you things that I'm not pretending that I took something that I didn't. I'm pointing out some of the trading opportunities that have presented themselves. You know, back here, pulled back in, back here, pulled back in, again, back here, pulled back in, all having good moves. Opportunities, whether you took them or not, that are present using the cradle zone. The next one is Link, and this was a bit frustrating. You know, look at this beautiful move back in. Nothing here, beautiful move back in. Another great move on from Link as well, and one that I am stalking right now, just because this trend higher low, higher high, pull back in again. Look at that, beautiful little cradle setup, and off it goes. So there are opportunities. Again, we just need to know where we're looking for. IOTA for me, I was waiting to see how it played out. Didn't really do anything right here. Pretty sideways on the daily. Ripple today was an option as well. One that I did take. So have a look here on the 1 hour. You'll notice this is a double fib cluster, which is one of my strategies. And it's hit, and it's moved quite nicely since then. And hopefully it continues. Again, there's opportunity out there. I was watching Ripple against Bitcoin as well, seeing if I could get a little cradle. A little bit big now, but that's okay. It was more of a plan B if I didn't get my Fibonacci booster trade there. Another chart that's been working really well is Stellar Lumens against the dollar here, but also I really like it against, where are we, XLM BTC. Here we are. Really like it here. Beautiful, strong trend. As a matter of fact, why is that not in the list? It should be. Anyway, really good trend here. Higher low, higher high, moving really nicely. Stellar's having a really sound run. And let me just have a look here. Boom, straight back in that cradle zone, looking for a crypto cradle trade right about now, waiting for that candle to close, which won't be too far away. So again, there's opportunity out there. You've just got to know what you're looking for. And I know that many people have gone to sleep a little bit, and that's cool. I totally get it. It's not been the most exciting period of time. Again, a breakout level starting to form there, just going through the range of strategies, right? And seeing if there's anything that's setting up. Not quite yet, but I'll keep an eye on that. There are opportunities out there. It's good. The markets are fine. We've just got to wait and be patient. These sort of periods of time are what we learned the most, in my view, because, you know, it's not easy money. Good traders know what to look for, and they focus on strategy and, you know, implementing their rules, I suppose. You don't have to use my rules, but you've got to use something that works and that you're consistent with. And if you are getting frustrated now, you're not the only one. But please don't give up. Please don't run away. Please don't get worried. Just document the whole thing, because it's these periods of time you're going to have them again and again and again if you're to have a long-term career in these markets, any markets that is. So harness that and basically move forward with it and try and make a good from it. Those of you who are working with me at the moment, I hope you're enjoying it. And, you know, there are some good opportunities. You've just got to be a little bit more selective these days, and that's what the checklist is for. Have a great day, guys. Bye for now.